This is your bittersweet.
Yeah.
The orange roots. So you want to get it when it's in this stage because it's super easy to pull out before it starts wrapping itself around your trees.
Okay.
This goes in the garbage bag, not tossing in the woods. Noticed? It's going up here, all the way up. So you're gonna now be able to see it a little bit more.
For sure.
Orange here. That's the bittersweet roots. Somebody cut this, which is great. Look how thick this is.
That's crazy.
And you can keep going. The moss, no. You can keep going, and then you have to keep your eye on this because it'll sprout.
Good to know.
And here, look. It's
Oh, wow.
everywhere. Excellent. Wow. Nice job. Yeah. Incredible. The bittersweet. Okay, so I just pulled this out. Easy to do. Okay, it gets this curly Q thing when it starts to get a little older. Here it is as a little guy right here.